If you're going to create pain, fear, grief, resentment, then not only your this time in this costume is difficult, even when you go forward, you will create those emotional sanskars you're taking with you. So learning to be the right person, when sometimes people are in a state of coma for very long, they're not leaving. Last year, my father was in the ICU, so I happened to be there taking care of him in the ICU for about 1 week. So there were so many other people. And sometimes somebody will say, please come, bless my parent, come there, meditate. The art of dying and the art of letting others leave with dignity is very important. And that is what spirituality teaches us.
For those who are terminally ill, they know that their time is limited and they have a lot more to do. How do you tell them to be at peace and to accept the coming, and how to lead the life what they have living there left?
To understand that what is going to happen is going to be only the end of this particular dress. It's like this dress is going to get over in 3 months. Not I. Not I. I am not going to die. My body is going to get over. I'm going to get a new costume. So along with doing what you're doing here, very important is what are you doing here? If you're going to create pain, fear, grief, resentment, then not only your this time in this costume is difficult, even when you go forward, you will create those emotional sanskars you're taking with you. So learning to be the right person here. Not only if I know I am leaving, but if I know that someone else is leaving in my family. When sometimes people are in a state of coma for very long, they're not leaving. Last year, my father was in the ICU, so I happened to be there taking care of him in the ICU for about 1 week. So there were so many other people. And sometimes somebody will say, please come, bless my parent, come there, meditate. And I would go. And with 3 people this happened. I said, what do you want should happen? And first I asked the doctor, I said, kya? So he said, kuch nahi kar rahe hum, ye leke nahi ja rahe ghar. So वो बिल्कुल नहीं था इलाज मतलब. So I just asked that daughter, I said, what do you want? She said, I want him to be at peace. I said, okay, let's create that thought that whatever is right for this soul, to be at peace. She looked at me and she said, what are you trying to say? I said, I'm not saying anything. What did you say just now? What do you want it to be? So we have to prepare them. And then she said, okay, batao kya karna? I said, hold his hand, let's start talking to him. That was unconscious, coma. So let's start talking to him. She said, आप बोलते जाओ. She started crying, but she just kept repeating what I was saying. I said, आप उनको बोलो कि आप हमारी चिंता मत करना. हम बिल्कुल ठीक हैं. हम एक दूसरे का ध्यान बहुत अच्छे से रखेंगे. She would repeat and she would cry, but she was repeating. I said, फिर आप उनको बोलो कि आपका शरीर ना पूरा खराब हो गया. आपका नया शरीर रेडी है. आप हमारे लिए यहाँ मत रुको. हम ध्यान रखेंगे. I said, बस बोलो 2-3 बार, 3 times she said. Within an hour, she went and told the doctor, I'm ready to take my father home. The mother came in the evening. They said, we will take. Before they were going to take, the soul left. 3 happened in 1 week over there like that. It's actually so easy.
Yeah.
But if we say, नहीं जा सकते, कैसे जा सकते हैं, कैसे मुझे छोड़ सकते हैं, that soul just remains trapped in that body for...
Yeah.
So, the art of dying and the art of letting others leave with dignity is very important. And that is what spirituality teaches us. So when somebody is leaving, we send them with lot of blessings, lot of power, not with... This is detachment. But detachment doesn't mean I don't care. I'm going to miss you always. But I'm not going to be thinking about my pain. So it takes you above yourself. And it says, but you are not in the best costume. So don't stay here for me. You go. Move forward on this journey. There's a lady, she was in the US. She was watching the TV program. She saw the first episode, and the first episode happened to be about this, that when a soul leaves, they can catch all your vibrations even after they enter into the new womb. And she said, बस मुझे ना समझ ही आ गया. Just first episode on death. मुझे तो समझ ही आ गया. And she said, okay, ये मेरे घर में जब भी कभी फिर होगा ना, I will take care that I will not radiate pain and crying. Exact 7 days later, she picks up the phone and she hears that her son, who was landed at the airport in India, was driving to medical college, is no more. I'm telling you the power of a human mind. That's why I learned so much from people. That's why I said people can do more than me, only by just listening to what. Never come to the center. never done anything. One episode she watched. She said, "जैसे ही सुना, phone रखा." And I said, "I will send my child with love and blessings." She found where is a center here in this city. She didn't know anything. She said, found. She called up the sister. She said, "Please come to my house. I want you to create an environment where everyone who will now," because she was in the US. What happened was in India. She said, "I want you to come here and to meditate. I want you to radiate blessings to my child." She actually did it. And after that, you know what she made the purpose of her life? Wherever someone lost a child, she would go there and be with them and teach them this same thing. She's
my
not a
God.
Brahma Kumari. You know, so Brahma Kumari is not a, I belong to this organization. It's not like that. It's a wisdom. It's a spiritual knowledge. Take it, create magic with your life, and help others to create magic. She actually did that with so many people. She just left last year. And when I spoke to her, she was in terminal stage of cancer. I said, "आप ठीक हैं?" She said, "अरे of course, मेरे को तो पता है ना, मुझे तो कॉस्ट्यूम छोड़ना है अब सिर्फ, मैं बिल्कुल प्यार से जाऊंगी आराम से." That is what it is. So this does not
Quite
make
a-
us indifferent.
Hmm.
This does not. It just makes us more compassionate, actually. You rise above not just your 4 people, but be there for even others.
Yeah.
Always.
Like just a couple of episodes back was interview with the Chief Minister of Maharashtra. He lost his 2 children in a swimming accident. And he had, after that, he said he just cut away from everybody else because how do you deal with that kind of trauma? And the whole family was consumed. Family in the sense wife and a 13-year-old other child who was there. These were twin children who died. And so there was a third child. And they were consumed with that till one person came and said that you have to think of your beyond your family, that you have to do seva to others and make that those people your family. So his way of, it's not as if he doesn't cry now. Every time he talks about his children, he cries. But finding a purpose in life helps, like this lady that you said.
Yeah,
finding.
but only difference is it's not just finding a purpose outside, but healing your emotional pain,
Yes.
not just for yourself. We understand that that pain is radiating to that soul who's in the womb of the mother. You know, creating these thoughts, वापस आ जाओ, कैसे मुझे छोड़ के चले गए, that soul has moved forward into a new journey, and we are saying वापस आ जाओ, because we are not thinking about them. हम कहते वो तो चले गए, but वो चले नहीं गए. They've just changed a costume. And everything that you're creating, they are catching. So just visualize if you had to leave the costume, turn back. What would you want to see in your family? How would you want to see everybody? What would make you comfortable when you're moving out?
And this is there in most religions, right? That when a person passes away, itne din tak you grieve, and uske baad there is one ceremony and say the soul Vaikunt chale gaye, and after this you're not supposed to weep and cry because it pulls that soul back.
Exactly, that only.
Huh.
But then you have to have that power to be able to do it now.
I found it very cruel when somebody told me कि आज के बाद नहीं रोना because it will cause trouble to your brother who's passed away. His soul will not be.
Yes, because आपके सारे रोने के vibrations उधर जा रहे हैं. चलो, leave death, leave out in the morning for work, and something is going on at home. Wouldn't your mind keep going back there? You will call up and say, सब ठीक हो गया, सब ठीक हो गया. जाओ ना आप अपने काम पे. Why are you looking back? But you will. It's natural. You will call up, सब ठीक है. Finally, when you hear सब ठीक है, then you will go आगे आराम से. Here the soul is going into another costume. They want to see कि सब ठीक है. And that when they see that सब ठीक है means we've not forgotten you, but we're taking charge of our life and we want you to go peacefully. When I'm talking to parents about this, they don't want to heal themselves. They say, I don't want to heal myself because I don't want to be happy anymore.
Yeah.
And they don't want to be happy. But when they understand it's not for you, heal yourself so that soul will be happy looking at you. And that soul will be able to, then they're ready to do it for themselves. Because खुद से तो बोले मुझे खुश होना ही नहीं है, मुझे खुश रहना ही नहीं है. Okay, understandable. But आपको दर्द में देखते हुए ऐसे हर जगह रोते हुए हर रोज, उसका क्या हाल होगा?
And those who are suicidal, how do you handle that?
Same thing, ना, और भी ज़्यादा. Because there it's not just pain, there is guilt. And sometimes we have both blaming each other. Because blame is not, it's just trying to find a reason why it happened. Not blame that way, but तुमने उसको बोला क्यों इतना, तुम कम बोलती तो नहीं करता, तुम्हें पता क्यों नहीं चला कि वो ठीक नहीं था. You know, that kind of a blame. And plus society, the way people look at them. That
कि
doesn't
in
mean
their child or their brother or their wife.
personal failure.
Ah.
Personal failure लगता है ना, लोगों को लगता है ये something they didn't do right. So there are a lot of emotions over there.
Very complicated.
But फिर भी healing is the same method.
Healing is to simplify it.
Yeah, healing is to understand. Because the biggest question there is why. क्यों किया मेरे बच्चे ने ऐसा, मेरे से बात क्यों नहीं की, क्यों हुआ ऐसा. It's the क्यों which is not getting answered basically. But there is not an answer to that क्यों. The answer is maybe it was a depression which was not diagnosed and that's why it's a suicidal thought. But important is आप क्यों बोल बोल के आप ये नहीं सोच रहे कि उसको भी दर्द हो रहा. Because when a soul leaves the costume, choosing it, when they leave the costume na, they immediately realize they shouldn't have done it. Because that is it's like a suicidal thought. It overpowered me at that time. But when I leave, I realized कि नहीं, I could have not, I shouldn't have done
Do you
this.
see that as a sin, a mistake? What do you see it as?
Nothing. It's not a sin. Definitely not. Definitely not. Every soul, when we come in this costume, it's our journey and we are going to leave. The method of leaving will be different for different people. But how they leave and how we allow them to go, that's something that we can take care of. So if somebody, that's why we're saying even about this young girl, the young doctor, we can't even visualize, we can't even imagine the amount of pain. But if we create only pain, then we are not helping her to heal her pain.
True.
So if you want to keep on talking about her, you want to remember her, but do it with lot of love, peace and power, because that soul needs, how will that soul move forward till the healing is done? हमें लगता है कि नहीं, this is the method which is right for the child. Talking about what needs to happen there, that is a different thing. But what are we doing to heal her? Because her new journey has to start. And before her new journey starts, we need to help her to release that trauma that she has experienced. Because she will carry forward that experience of that trauma into her new life.
Oh my God, I hope not.
No, anybody, we all carry. I mean, it's not about her. We are all carrying our
The
traumas
baggage.
and our baggage.
Okay.
So we help. That is why when somebody leaves, there's so much prayer.
Yeah.
क्यों होती है इतनी प्रार्थना होती है, प्रेयर होता है, पाठ चलता है मेरे. It's only to heal. It's to help the soul to heal everything before they enter into the next costume. But the path and the prarthana cannot be done only by the priest and we keep crying. The soul who's moved forward is not attached to the priest. They are attached to me.
Yes.
So they will catch my vibrations.
So those chants and things are...
Of course, they make a lot of difference.
make a difference.
But they are there to strengthen us, to heal us.
Okay.
But if we only keep it like a ritual,
yeah.
and we don't use that power to heal ourselves, then we are still radiating pain.
True. I get what you say.
So we should not, missing the person, whoever the family member is, it's fine. But miss with love. Miss with blessings. Not with pain. Not with वापस आ जाओ. Imagine saying to a soul, वापस आ जाओ. You know what happens over there if we keep saying that?
Yeah, but it just comes naturally, no, to say that.
नहीं, वापस आ जाओ नहीं. Change the thought to say, जहाँ जा रहे हो बहुत beautiful destiny होगी. आपका बहुत हेल्दी बॉडी होगी, आपको एक बहुत प्यारी फैमिली मिलेगी, आप तो मिरेकल क्रिएट करने जा रहे हो. जस्ट चेंजिंग एवरी थॉट. स्पिरिचुअलिटी इज ओनली दिस, जस्ट चेंजिंग एवरी थॉट. एंड व्हेन यू चेंज योर थॉट, योर वाइब्रेशन चेंजेस. व्हेन वाइब्रेशन चेंजेस, दे कैच दैट वाइब्रेशन. कोविड, सो मेनी पीपल सेड मेरी वजह से वो चले गए, मैं कोविड लेकर आया घर पे. नाउ व्हाट विल दैट पर्सन कैच नाउ ओवर देयर? व्हाट विल दैट सोल कैच? Oh, my family member was not right to me. Now in the next family, even if everyone's doing right things, they will have this thing, they're not right to me. Because they absorbed that vibration. अंत मति सो गति. जो आपकी अंत की मति है, state of mind now, वो आपकी आगे की गति होगी. So irrespective of whatever happened, do not radiate vibrations of guilt, vibrations of failure, कि हमारी वजह से ऐसा हो गया, हम आपका ध्यान नहीं रख पाए. नहीं, आपको तो पता है ना, हमने आपका बहुत ध्यान रखा, बट सिचुएशंस बस वैसी नहीं थी. दे विल अब्सॉर्ब दैट. एवरी थॉट you are helping that soul to heal. And that healing is not temporary. It's going to decide and influence their next destiny. Help them to release that karma baggage.
Shivani ji, you're
But that's
You're
true.
going
But
very-
this
yeah.
is what it is. But this is what we study every day, and not just study, we see it in practice.
Because everything that you're saying, I'm thinking, okay, I have to rectify this with me, this with my parent, this with my in-law, this with my children. I'm thinking about
Yeah, so just, you don't have to do anything with everyone. You just have to rectify here. Go higher, and your higher energy will radiate to everybody else.
okay.
Everyone else. अपने आप जाएगी.